Okay, students, let us study about one of the important topic in economics. So, elasticity of demand. Okay, so the elasticity of demand. When you are studying economics, it will be useful for commerce students and students who have taken ICSE 10th standard. It will be useful for that. What is elasticity of demand? First of all, we can expect 1 or 2 marks questions. Even in second phase economics, this question can be expected. Elasticity of demand is responsiveness of demand due to change in price of the product. Can be called as elasticity of demand. For example, I think we know law of demand. When price increases, demand decreases. When price decreases, demand increases, and vice versa. Okay. So in this case, we can analyze that elasticity of demand is responsiveness of demand due to change in price or income of the product. Usually we will study more price in microeconomics. Okay. In degree of elasticity of demand, we can study 4 to 5 types. So when elasticity of demand is 0, ED is lesser than 1, elasticity of demand is equal to 1, elasticity of demand is greater than 1, elasticity of demand is infinity. Okay. Let us study one by one. First, let us study elastic demand. What is this elastic? Demand will be more. Okay. When demand is more, we can call it as elastic demand. You can see here now, elasticity of demand is greater than 1. You can see here, see the price is also increasing, but the elasticity of demand is more here. Means more than change in price quantity, there will be more change in demand quantity. So this is called as elastic demand. Got it? Next one is inelastic demand. What is this inelastic demand? You can see here prices is increasing. Okay, prices is increasing more, but demand is not increasing up to the quantity of price. So in that case, we can call it as inelastic demand. Got it? Here elastic demand will be lesser than 1. Okay, because demand is increasing more here compared to price. But in elastic demand, price was increasing, but demand was not increasing up to the quantity of price. Okay. So we have studied elastic demand in elastic demand. Third, let us study about unit elastic demand. In some textbooks, they have given us unitary elastic demand. What is this unit? How much the change in price? The same percentage would be the change in quantity demand, right? Means exactly 100% change in price is equal to 100% change in quantity demand, right? So it is called as unitary elastic demand, or in some textbooks, unit elastic demand. Got it? So last one, I think, yeah, one second, third. Next one is perfectly elastic demand. What is this perfectly elastic demand? See here, how much the change in price? You know, the demand is infinity. Means it's going on in the you can say like horizontal shape. Okay, so we can call it as perfectly inelastic demand. Sorry. Next one is perfectly inelastic demand. We can predict that when it is in horizontal shape, it should be in vertical shape. Quantity demand or demand curve. See the change in price here, and the quantity demand is in vertical shape. Means elastic demand is 0. How much you can change in price? P1, P2, P3. The quantity demand will be same. So here in case it is called as elastic demand is equal to 0. Any doubts? You people can ask me. No doubts? Okay, fine. Then let us study in next class.